Going by the place we sat yesterday, some of the safari guys went by and they said they saw over 100 black beasts and wildebeest. And black beasts and blue wildebeest. Blue wildebeest is one of my favorite animals that I came down here for. It's one of my top on my hit list, and I am pumped. My son is dying for a big warthog, so that's what we're hoping comes in, and a zebra. We want the mountain zebra. We'll take the plains, but we really want the mountain zebra. So that's what we're hoping for today. Guys, we're about to go eat breakfast. It's about 6 o'clock. We're going to head to the stand, and we'll see you there.
Is it good? God, dude, he's chopping. Look at him. Holy crap. Oh my God. He's gone. Oh, there's a warthog right there. Where is he?
Huh?
Where is he?
He's about a half
Should be
mile.
a good shot because all these lungs and stuff are inside, yeah.
He's about a half mile away by now.
To be honest, I was sitting there and I saw him start moving. I thought he was gonna run. I didn't want to shoot and hit him in the back. So I was like, and he said, take the shot. And I just was kind of on him and I was like, all right. I didn't know if it was gonna be good or not.
Dude, how big is that thing? Were you expecting it to be that big?
No. The ones we saw yesterday weren't big.
The ostrich we have
Yeah.
in our zoos and shit,
Yeah.
they're like this big.
Yeah, that's also quite big.
It also probably looks.
Will we find him?
I hope so.
Well, did they
Last time I saw him, he was running there.
I saw him all the way to the right.
Did they bleed a lot?
They should. They got a whole chest.
Should I take them over before we go check?
Let's go and have a look.
My boy just smoked him an ostrich. It is beautiful. And it was running about 35 miles an hour. Our guide's guessing when he took off. The last place we saw him was about 600 yards away. Oh, we got our warthog right here.
Hy bars, ek sien hy gooi bloed. En miskien vir my kom help. Asseblief man. Asseblief, ja.
So anyway, before I saw the warthogs, I was telling you, my son just busted a beautiful ostrich. The guide said he was running somewhere around 35 miles an hour, and the last place we saw him was about 600 to 800 yards. He was still running. We did find a lot of blood though, so we're on the track right now. We're gonna go find this beautiful bird. Alright guys, so here's the deal. We just got done hunting and we sat in the stand from 7:05 until 8:30, no, until 9:35, and the ostrich came in. Kage shot him. We reviewed the tape. It looked like a great shot, and it did not go down. We tracked him somewhere around 6 miles and didn't find him. So in the last 2 days, I've done 11 miles on foot tracking animals that we have, I guess, not put a kill shot on. It's now about 2:30. We're wore plumb out, and we're gonna go on a safari and let Kage shoot some animals. So we're gonna, I think he's focused on impala, steinbuck, what else? Maybe a black wildebeest, and that's about it. We're gonna go on a safari and see if we can get Kage the animals he wants. He's only 16 and he gets really frustrated with sitting in the stand for a long time. I've sat for 11 hours a day for the last 2 days, and 16-year-old kid just can't do that. He's got about 4.5 hours in him, and he's restless. Can't stand being in there anymore. And to be real honest with you, the 2 days he sat, we just haven't seen a ton of animals, and we did a whole lot of tracking, and he's just kind of fed up with it. So we're going to take him on a safari, let him get some animals killed, and I think tomorrow he's going to come sit back in the stand for half a day and then go on a safari the rest. But anyways, we're fixing to go on this safari, and I'm going to give you some footage of my boy killing some animals. So hopefully we get to see some good stuff he's wanting to shoot, and some good trophies. So we'll see you out on the safari. You got him. Just want this guy there. Alan, good shot. Phew. Long tips, quite thick bases. Yo. Can you see, must give you some shape there? They get that long tips also. But watch him.
Right in the neck. That's how that goes.
Can I cut his throat? The front one is standing mistaken. At the tree. You got him?
I keep knocking my hat off.
Oh, niet dophalen. Weet je waar het geschieten? Weet je achter je opgelegd.
Alright guys, so here's the deal. My boy shot 3 good animals today. He shot an impala that was a huge impala. He shot it on the run, or on the trot, and caught it right below the neck. He put a good shot on it. Wasn't exactly where you would want it, but it did the job, let's just say. But he put a good shot on him. I don't believe I got video of it. It happened so fast that I think that's the only animal I didn't get video of. I did get some video of us walking up to it, but I don't think I got the shot. I'll have to check the video to see if I got the shot. But I did get he shot a really monster hartebeest, red hartebeest. It is an absolute monster, and he put a great shot on him. And then he shot a black wildebeest, and he also put a great shot on it. It was a blast. I hadn't been on a safari yet until today, and I'm going to tell you, if you're a rifle hunter, that's the way to hunt, because it is fast and there are animals everywhere. I mean everywhere. But we're riding around in these little, I can't remember what they call them, but these little safari vehicles, and they're rolling animals that are just coming out of the woodwork. I mean, they are everywhere. The problem is when you stop the vehicle, you just don't have long to shoot. You got to be ready and you got to be on it. And we had 3 shooters in the truck. There was 2 other guys that went with us, killed some animals. But I didn't get a lot of footage, I guess, of everything. I got the kill shot. I got us walking up to it, and I got some video of that, how good the animals are. You know, pictures with my son. But my son is super excited. Made his day. Made his trip. The black wildebeest was one of his favorites, one of the main things he's wanting. The next thing on his list is the warthog. So hopefully we're going to get that done with the bow tomorrow. But as far as this safari today, it was an experience. And if you've never done it, you ought to think about doing it. This is Kage Safari is where we're at. And it's in Namibia, Africa. You can look it up on the website. Guy here that owns this named Dracus. He's been awesome. The food here is awesome. The accommodations are great. The nightlife, you sit around a campfire and tell stories and talk and do whatever you want to do. But I mean, this experience so far, this is day 3. I couldn't ask for a better experience here. But I'm pretty sure I made my boy's year. I mean, he's just beside himself. 3 great animals today. 2 great shots, 1 good shot, and the animals are down. They're skinning them right now, and we're gonna have them on the wall here, and they say it takes about 6 months to get them back, so we'll have them on the wall. And we're gonna wrap today up, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.